a leader of the Montgomery Bus Boycott in the
God
1950s.
of our weary years, God of our silent tears, Thou who hast brought us thus far along the way, Thou who hast by Thy might led us into the light, keep us forever in the path, we pray. Lest our feet stray from the places, our God, where we met Thee, lest our heart, drunk with the wine of the world, we forget Thee. Shadows beneath Thy hand, may we forever stand, true to Thee, O God, and true to our native land. Complex arena of human relations. Help us to make choices on the side of love, not hate, on the side of inclusion, not exclusion, tolerance, not intolerance. And as we leave this mountaintop, help us to hold on to the spirit of fellowship and the oneness of our family. Let us take that power back to our homes, our workplaces, our churches, our temples, our mosques, wherever we seek your will.